I'm going to share with you one of the most important things that you can bring to the Kentucky Welding Institute with you. The most important thing you can bring to the Kentucky Welding Institute when you come here to learn how to weld is having an attitude of doing whatever it takes to get the job done. I've been traveling and welding for about 5-6 years now, and the most important trait that I've seen from all the great welders is they don't care. And what I mean by that is they don't care where the weld is, they don't care how hard the weld is, and they don't care what it takes to get it done safely, okay? Now, this doesn't mean doing sketchy things and getting it done quick. I mean, they don't complain, they don't care where the weld is, they're gonna make it happen. So the best thing, what all foremans love to hear from welders is, hey, I need you to go make a weld up there in a little bit, okay? You're gonna be able to do it? And the welder says, yep, I can do it. And they don't get the foreman for nothing. If they run into problems, if they have any issues, they're able to take care of it and handle it themselves. Same thing when you come here to the Kentucky Welding Institute. If you come here with an attitude of, I'm gonna make the best out of this experience here at the KWI, I'm gonna do whatever it takes to be the best that I can at the end of 6 months, and I'm gonna do whatever it takes to be the best one here at KWI. That's gonna propel you really far whenever you leave the Kentucky Welding Institute and go into the welding industry. So to recap on that, the best quality to have is you're gonna do whatever it takes to get the job done right and make it happen. So do whatever it takes when you're here at KWI to make as many welds as possible. You're gonna do whatever it takes to listen to the instructors and follow through with what they say, and you're gonna do whatever it takes for you to be that traveling, high-paying welder that the industry really needs, okay? So hopefully that helps you guys. Stay tuned, we got a lot more awesome videos and content coming out. And if you have any questions about the welding industry or how we do things here at KWI, shoot down in the comments below, comment back to us, and let us know what you think about KWI, or if you're attending, let us know. Give us a call, reach us out, check out our YouTube, social media, and everything, and I or someone else here at KWI will be reaching out to you. Catch you on the next one.